For many, this pandemic has been measured in shutdowns and reopenings, and that cycle continues again today. Good evening. I'm Lindsay Pena. Steve and Kim are off tonight. Today, a judge clarified their ruling from last night, which allowed strip clubs to remain open during the stay-at-home order. There was confusion about whether that ruling applied to all restaurants. ABC 10 News reporter Jennifer Kastner was watching today's hearing when we learned what it did. She joins us live now with what it all means. Jennifer.
Yeah, Lindsay, there was so much confusion over all of this over the past 24 hours, but now we finally have some clarity. Listen to what the judge said just a few hours ago.
All businesses which provide restaurant service, meaning all restaurants in the County of San Diego, are encompassed within the scope of the court's order. It's not limited to plaintiffs who also provide restaurant service, but it is intended to encompass all restaurants within the County of San Diego.
Now, this lawsuit was filed over strip clubs, not restaurants. The ruling came down late yesterday from Judge Joel Woolfield, who wrote that the owners of Pacers and Cheetahs can stay open while their case against the county and the state moves through the courts. The judge decided there is no evidence that strip clubs have led to increased spread or risk of COVID-19. That part of the ruling was clear, but what was unclear was how that decision affected restaurants. That's because the judge wrote that the ruling applies to businesses with restaurant service like the strip clubs have, provided they follow safety protocols. As you heard today, the judge clarified that his ruling encompasses all San Diego restaurants. The San Diego County officials that we spoke to last night, they said because of this ruling, they would not enforce restaurant restrictions until they got more clarification, which we now have. Tonight, we learned from the county that they expect the state to appeal this ruling. The governor's office wrote to ABC 10 News about the initial ruling, stating they're disappointed but remain committed to protecting the health and safety of all Californians. Their legal team is now reviewing options. Tomorrow, the County Board of Supervisors is holding an emergency closed session meeting to discuss how to move forward with all of this. Reporting live tonight, Jennifer Kastner, ABC 10 News.
Thank you, Jennifer.